taking any medication for that?
Yeah, I got some pills. They taste terrible.
Just swallow them.
Oh, my throat's too tender.
All right, sit down. Sit down.
I don't want to.
Come on, just sit down.
Jerry, what?
Sit down.
What?
Sit down.
Hey!
Lean your head back. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open it. Open it. What kind of pills are these anyway? For Smuckers? May cause panting and loss of fur? These are dog pills.
We have the same symptoms. Where are you going?
I'm taking the car. I gotta run some errands. You wanna go?
I don't know.
Come on, you wanna go for a ride? Huh? Come on. Come on.